Greetings to all. This is my happy day because it is my 250th video clip I am presenting before you. In this video clip, I will explain how I started my journey to YouTube and how I completed my 250th video clip. At my age of 82 in 2019, at the time of COVID, I wanted to go and teach in schools. My age was such that no school was willing to accept me to teach. I love teaching. I love interaction with students. So knowing this, one of my friends suggested, why not you write in YouTube? Till such a time, I never had seen YouTube presentations. I just opened the YouTube. I saw teachers teaching online using YouTube as a media. It was at that time I started making presentations by means of PPTs. In the beginning, my PPTs were very simple. I used to make about 20 or 25 PPTs for one presentation. I presented it for 25 to 30 minutes. Like this, I completed about 30 to 40 PPTs. By this time, I understood I was doing a wrong thing. Then I took an online course on presentations by Mr. Ramgopal's online course, and it helped me a lot to know how to make my presentations more colorful using skills and using Windows 10. Then I started preparing my video clips in Kannada and also in English for class 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and started presenting it in a little more better way compared to what I presented about 30 or 40 video clips. By this time, I achieved about 100. Then slowly I started improving my skills on presenting using the Windows 10, and then I slowly started learning how to introduce good words and good sentences and make my videos shorter compared to what it was. At this time, my grandson, who is a computer engineer, told me I could use my image into video clips. I did not know how to do it. Then he told me, you can try to make a video and then try to overlay on the PPTs. Yes, it was a challenge for me. By this time I was 83 years old, and 1 year already passed by using in YouTube. Then I learned it. Then I started using the PPTs, shorter PPTs, better presentations, better writing, and then started putting my image overlay on the PPTs. Then I learned how to make background different colors, how to use the animations, how to use the transitions. All these skills of presentations I learned. By this, I completed today. This will be my 250th presentation. So I would like to say that YouTube is one of the most important media by which people like me who are eager to say something to youngsters or share my experiences or show my love towards my profession is possible by YouTube. My young friends, I would like to tell you thank you for viewing my my clips. More than 2000 and odd subscribers are there today. I would like to thank YouTube for accepting my presentations and publishing it. I thank you all once again. Good night. Thank you.